Hello, everyone.
And welcome back to Rock Solid Girls.
I'm Oakley,
I'm Willow.
and it's the last day of school. Well, that already happened, so it's summer.
And we're going to make some cloud slime.
Yes. For our slime, we're using the recipe from the website Mother Could.
Not sponsored, by the way.
Yeah, not sponsored. Yeah, so the materials you need are half a cup white glue, 1 tablespoon baby oil, food coloring if you want to make it colorful, half a tablespoon baking soda, well, not tablespoon, teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon shaving cream, 1 teaspoon contact lens solution, and instant snow, which we're not using, but it's optional to make it more fluffy, I guess. Okie dokie.
Okay.
So first we need to add the 1/2 cup glue.
Which is just 4 ounces, which is a small, average size glue.
Yep.
Okay.
It can be so satisfying already. Ooh. It's more liquidy than I thought. This is fun. I haven't made slime in so long.
Forgot how gluey it was.
Same. Like, that's a lot of glue.
I'll get back to you once this glue comes out.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so next we need to add 1 tablespoon of baby oil.
With our glue.
You can do yours first. Last day of school! I'm so happy. School's not fun. Oh. Mom, if you're seeing this, we are using your baby oil. But you do have a lot, so.
Smells like babies.
Baking soda! Need half a teaspoon of baking soda. Ugh.
This is funny right now. Oh, I should put this out.
Everything's funny. I'm just so happy today. Boom.
Did you see that?
Yes. One time I smelled the bag and I gagged so much that I literally threw up.
It doesn't smell.
There's no water in this at all.
Pour it out. What? There's just water in it.
Okay, now we need a tablespoon of shaving cream. I think we're gonna use this one. Here, you can put yours in if you want.
Yeah, I think I got baby oil in my hair.
I don't know. Press hard.
So, I don't know why. I gotta wash my hands. Everybody.
I'm gonna throw it in the sink.
You missed?
I missed by a mile.
Guys, I think I got baby oil in my hair. But that can't be the worst thing, right? That makes
That's
it
hydration.
Yeah. Hydration for my head. Yeah.
Oh, slave.
Okay.
Food coloring time. What color are you doing?
Blue.
I'm doing pink.
That is. Oh, you're right.
Hopefully I don't get any on my outfit.
My outfit's already.
That's bright, bruh. Broski, but bruvy, bruh. That's bright.
Bruh, I can't get this undone. Maybe I should do this one. I can't get it undone. My hands are wet. Did you get it?
Yes.
Oh, no, wrong.
Mixy. Oh, that is bright
Are we
pink.
supposed to add the solution? Yeah.
No,
No.
that's up the last step.
Add the shaving cream and mix well.
Yes,
Oh,
we already did that.
right.
Mixy. What's it?
Look at mine.
Wakey, eggs and bacon. Mine is bright, but I want it to be brighter. I'm aiming for a hot pink.
I'm aiming for like this nice color.
Oh, that's so pretty. Since we finished school today, I want to know in the comments. Are you guys done with school right now, or do you have
Our
a
school
week
is
left?
one of the last schools to finish. So
Yeah,
you're still
June
going.
9th.
I'd be surprised.
Yeah, same. A lot of schools end in May, which I wish ours did.
Okay, this looks really good.
So does mine. Here, mine's that.
It's kind of just kind of like that. Mine's kind of like a baby blue,
Yeah.
like a bright baby blue.
Now let's see what we do. Contact lens solution, and mix until the slime pulls easily off the bowl.
The bowl is already like coming off of my slime
Yeah, but like
because of the baby
thicker.
blue.
Yeah. So 1
It's like
teaspoon.
more shaving, but it's okay.
Yep. Here we go.
Is it time?
It's time. It's so satisfying how it just pours out. Do you want me to do yours?
Sure.
Woo-wee!
Oh, guys, it's already happening.
Oh yeah! This slime's gonna be so fluffy. Hope it's not sticky though. I don't like sticky slime.
Ah, mine's sticky.
Same. Maybe if we mix more, it'll get less sticky. I'm scared to touch it.
Same. This looks like too sticky to be.
Same. I'm gonna put more contact solution.
Like I can.
Oh, I almost just dropped the bottle.
Stir mine. Yeah.
Did I just spray you?
Yeah.
And I almost just put the bowl.
Oh, now mine's like.
Oh yeah, I put a little too much, but it's okay. Now we're talking.
Trying to get it all like together so I can maybe dump it out. Is it okay if I dump it out?
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, it's stretchy.
Get it all out.
Same. Should I touch it? I'm gonna touch it. That's sticky and liquidy. That is not slime, bro. Don't touch it.
What-
You're gonna regret it.
Should I add more of this?
What do I do? I'm never gonna get this off of me. This is so.
Just a little more. Do you want more?
Yeah. Oh, this is so just wet. It's just. Oh! You just gotta go fast. This
Mine's
method
like
works.
a little better than yours.
Mine's kind of bad.
Guys, is this a fail?
No! Look.
We just have to make it mixy.
If you just keep on mixing. It's just so liquidy.
Move your bowl.
I can't. It's on my hands.
Oh,
This
great.
is such a fail, bro. What are you trying to do with your elbows?
My slime is like,
What if I never get it off of me in my entire life?
like mine's not on the table as much as hers. but
Mine is
It's like still like kind of sticky in my hand, but I like the color.
same. That's the only part I like about mine. I like your color too. I would have done that.
Just keep
That looks
working
so
it.
good.
Pick it up. You're literally getting it into it.
I can't pick it up. Every time I try to, it just comes away.
Once you work on it like I am, it starts to get like it's really fluffy though.
Yeah, that's good. It's just sticky. That's like the hardest part about slime.
Crap! I just like got it on my wrist.
So did I.
Oh crepe! Oh crepe!
Oh,
Look at that.
gravy.
Except I'm trying to like pick it back up, but it won't come.
It's so hard, bruh. It's like it's fun though. But it's still. Whew.
Look at my arm.
Zooey mama.
And it's not like it's like you can dab it and get it off. It kind of like just like
Drip.
stays on.
It needs to like go in the freezer and harden.
No, get it in the freezer. Should we add more like solvent? But none of us can touch it.
Yeah.
I can kind of get mine off.
I can't. Huh. This is a little bit of a fail.
No, it's not gonna be a fail.
Okay. Maybe you just keep trying.
Match. I'll be the rubber band. Okay.
No, I got it back on the table. If you roll it like that, it works really well to get it off the table. Wait, it's coming off my hand.
Oh, creep.
Just keep on moving it.
Wait, I got it off my hand. At least the bottom part.
Yes, oh!
Like I got it off that part, but then the back.
No, what did I just do?
Put it on the table. Put it on the table.
Yeah, adding more contact solution helps a lot. Oh, this helps. Thank you.
Okay, now it's actually like working.
Now it's slime. Yeah, so I would recommend instead of 1 teaspoon, maybe a tablespoon even.
Not a table. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know, because it's still kind of sticky. Oh, amen, y'all. I'm kidding. Oh, boy. Oh, slime.
Okay, we'll get back to you once we get it off our hands and we can
Yeah.
like actually play with it. So we finally got him to like
Actual slime.
actual slime and not just like goop.
I changed because I got slime on me. But you just need to add way more contact solution in slowly than the recipe actually says. Wow.
You didn't know you could do that?
I did, but like that just happened. Because it's sticky. But other than that, it was good.
It feels good.
Slimy, slimy, someone get the slimy. Double time.
That was good.
Yeah. And then so crunchy. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Oh.
Do you want to use this to store your slime in? Because usually when, like, we just have a lot of these containers so you can keep it.
Okay. Where'd you get them from?
From, like, this food place that, like, we went and picked up food. I don't know.
Oh, I turned it over it.
But, yeah. That is our slime.
You just mixed it!
It looks like a gender reveal party.
I'll just try to mix it over.
Yeah, maybe I'll make a more. Okay. Make sure to like,
A tip
subscribe.
if you have it like stuck on your fingers like this, just go like this.
Yeah, it helps a
And we'll
lot.
get it
Or like,
off.
okay. Bye.